Durable dads, brothers from other mothers, and sisters from different misters. Welcome back to Durable Dads. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to do something a little bit different today. I teased in my live stream that there might be a new addition to the family. Well, there is, and it's happening today. I want you to meet Lou. She's an absolutely beautiful 97 4Runner, being rehomed from another awesome home. This comes from Jeremy from Fireworks. This was his bush rig. Trust me, he's not hurting for bush rigs. But for me, this might be the best mental health investment I've made in a very long time. I'm excited to get her on the road. This is happening today. So I'm all smiles. Our next step is to put the basket on. I'll get you a little clip of that next. Okay, today's objective is that right there, that basket is going to go, here let's get a nice zoom out, right up there. So Lou will be fully operational to be hitting the back roads. There's going to be a couple of J-clips, J-cradles for kayaks going up top there. I can already imagine how this is going to go. I'm getting pretty excited. Anyways, I'm burning off somebody else's time. Let's get this rack up top of the basket. Well, it may appear that the basket is on. It is. It's not tightened down. And you know how these things go, right? So what happened is the original bolts got repurposed, and we just had to make a run to the hardware store to get other bolts. And of course, now we're going to have to biggie them out a little bit. I'm glad that tools are ready to go and a couple of handy guys. So I'll catch you next update. Cheers. Okay, the rails are on. I was going to try and catch a little bit of a clip of Jeremy, up there working. Well, I apparently am not helping at all, and I'm being useless right now. Anyways, I can watch people work all day. Anyway, status update, the rails are on. Let's roll towards the basket happening. Okay, you know what? This has been successfully mounted. The regular rack is in the back with the other set of tires. I am now officially on the hunt for a wicked set of rims. So if you guys see any or have any, let me know in the comments. I'm pretty stoked. The big move to get it back to the domicile Shea Mike is underway, so a little bit more footage when we're done. She's parked in the driveway. Okay, catch you in a bit. Hey, welcome back, guys. As you can see, Lou is parked in the driveway. She's back home where she belongs, or rehomed where she belongs. So there's been a time jump of about 5 days, so I just wanted to give you an update on what's next, because this is part of a saga. Pretty stoked. Okay, so I've got a laundry list of things that I want to do. First off, well, there's the obvious. We need to do the windshield. But the first thing is she's still sitting on winters, and there's another set of tires. I think you caught that in the last video. Those need a new pair of shoes. So rims is the next one, and I found some. So on Thursday, today's Monday, so in a few days we're going to be making a little trip down to Lake Country to go and get some rims. That's the first one, and it's always good to have a set of winters and a set of summers on rims so you can change them out yourself or have minimal cost if you roll into the shop. Mounting and rebalancing tends to get pretty expensive pretty fast, so the second set of rims is a must. Okay, so that's what's happening next. Right after that's going to be the suspension. This is all maintenance stuff. She's due up for some new struts and a couple of shocks, so that'll tighten up the ride quite a bit. Right after that is going to be some valve cover gaskets, maybe front crank seal, and then we start getting into the cosmetics. So we're going to do windshield, obviously, some rock sliders because she's lifted and a little bit tough to get into. Anyways, I've got the perfect Durable Dads rig. I'm looking forward to some serious adventures. So here it is. Next up, and you're going to be seeing me on my lake country. I'm going to take In the Wild with Kyle is going to be coming along with, just for some extra beef and for, you know, giggles. We'll get a bunch of footage. Going to enjoy this quite a bit. It's a pretty run. We're going to roll down the back window, windows down, and just enjoy kind of a no pressure kind of thing. Kiddo works that night, so she unfortunately can't come with. So, but which is disappointing because it would be lovely to take her on a little road trip. Not gonna happen this time. Anyways, I will keep you posted, and I will do, maybe it's time for a review and brew on a new set of shocks. I don't know how exciting that one's gonna be, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So again, Thursday, probably next week's content will be a continuation of the Lou origin stories. Tune in, keep you posted, and make sure to check out the next thrilling installment of the origins of Lou. I will catch you next week. Cheers. Peace out, Scout. So yeah, this is Lou. She's old. She's got miles on her. And, you know, she needs a little work. But she's also absolutely worth every bit of time, money, and energy I put into her. Because this isn't just a vehicle. It's a mobile studio, an adventure rig, a lifestyle choice. And yeah, it's a memory maker for me and for my kid. Also, other brothers in arms creators. Lou's not shiny or new, but she's durable, just like a lot of us dads. A little weathered, a few scars, but still damn capable of going the distance if we take care of what matters. So no, this isn't me trying to preach. You've seen my legacy content, and you know, I'm not here to make some grand return to dad sermons. But Lou, she's really a rolling metaphor. And honestly, she deserves a spot right here on Durable Dads. Let's see where she takes us.